Like, why would you use my size as a parameter for me to be married? I didn't understand. It didn't. Okay. So a lot has been going on with me. I'm going to be doing my makeup because I'm preparing to film a video, but I just thought to, like, utilize this opportunity. I mean, talk to you guys and then do my makeup alongside. Okay, so yeah, let's get to it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. If you're stopping on my channel for the first time, you're most definitely welcome. Also, if you're returning back to my channel, thank you so much. Thank you so much for sticking with this baby girl. I do not take it for granted. So like I said, I'm going to be gisting you guys about what has been happening, and I'm going to be doing my makeup alongside. So yeah, so guys, currently I didn't go to work today because I was on night duty on Tuesday. Yeah, I was on night duty on Tuesday. So when I do night duty like that, I get 2 days off. So I had yesterday off and I have today off. So yeah, but that Tuesday night was my most horrible night shift ever. Guys, I'm not joking with you. Let me do my makeup so that I don't talk too much. It was my most horrible night shift ever. To be honest, it started well and all of that, but I really don't want to bore you with so much explanation. Point is, 3 of my patients, or the patients on the ward, went into cardiac arrest. 3 of them packed. No, 4 went into cardiac arrest. 3 of them packed. When I mean packed, means they died and all of that. I really don't know what other word to use more than died, but they died. We lost them. And like, that was not enough. Like, that was not enough. A bus driver was brought in. He was said to have been hanging off the bus when he fell off, and another bus, I think, went over his head. So by the time they brought him, his head was crushed. There was blood everywhere. Everywhere was so messy, guys. Anyways, by the time myself and the doctor went out to go and meet them, the doctor confirmed him dead. So they had to take the corpse to the mortuary, to the morgues, pardon me. They had to take the corpse to the morgue, and then other processes were done. But it was one of the most stressful shifts I ever had. Though, after the whole everything that happened, the rest of the shift was basically just, calm and all of that. But before that time it was something else. I'm not even joking. It was something else entirely. So that was basically how my terrible shift went through. And I was telling the nurse that I was working with that day that I don't like this place, that I cannot wait to finish working here so that I can move to another department. Because man, that place, no, I wasn't having it at all. Anyways, guys, the next thing I wanted to just talk to you guys about is this thing called marriage. Guys, wait, let me draw my brows. This thing called marriage is scaring the shit out of me. I'm not even joking. It's scaring the hell out of me. Cause yeah, I'm not where I want to be. I mean, I have goals set and all of that. I have things that I want to achieve before I actually get married and stuff, and I have not gotten there yet. So I don't even see marriage as priority now. Yeah, marriage is important, let's not lie. It's important and all. I mean, even the society has made us think that marriage is a, how would I put it, is a parameter for living a successful life as a lady and all that many stuff. The society has made us just believe that if you're not married, maybe you're not successful, or there's something lacking, or I don't know, but I'm sure you guys get the gist of what I'm saying. So of course, before I told you guys, I don't know if I mentioned that I'm working currently as surgical emergency. So before I started working as surgical emergency, I was working as medical emergency, and I really loved medical emergency. And you know, a couple of nurses that I worked with were all thinking that I was married. They were all thinking I was married, and I'm like, I'm not married. And they're like, oh really? I'm like, yeah, I'm not married. And I'm like, is it that they expect, because there was this nurse, I think there was this, I can't remember if it was a nurse or a doctor that was like, with this your size, you're not married. You see the eyes that I raised to give him. I'm like, excuse you, what do you mean? And he was like, with this your size, you're not married. I'm like, is this how would I put it, those that are big in size, let me just use the word plus size for lack of better words, is this how plus size people are? Is this part of what we go through, or we get to go through? Because I don't get it. Like, why would you use my size as a parameter for me to be married? I didn't understand. It didn't. And I was like, that I'm big or that I'm this size does not mean that I should be married. And she was like, you better get married fast though. Okay, it was a lady. And she was like, you better get married fast though, blah 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 blah. Because when we were discussing, about IELTS, traveling out, you know, and all of that. I mean, every nurse in Nigeria, that's basically one of our goals and all of that. I really don't know, but that's one of my goals basically. So let me just speak for myself. Yeah, let me speak for myself. So Ash was like, that it's better for me to get married before I write my exams and leave, because I might not be able to get a good tutor when I travel and stuff. Now if she was coming from that angle, then it made sense and stuff, but the whole with your size and everything, you're supposed to be married and all of that, guys, the pressure is so much. The pressure is a whole lot. Like, my mom is even my mom is putting a lot of pressure, and she's asking, is there not somebody? Let me know the person. You know, if your dad was alive, you would have done introduction this year. Not the person will get man. We'll be doing introduction. I'm not saying I don't have a man, no. I'm not saying that, but I'm just saying, like, if we are ready, we would let you guys know and stuff. I mean, especially for me and the person I'm dating, we just feel like we need to be somewhere. We need to be at a place before we can actually say we want to get married. You know, you have to be at a place financially and all of that stuff before you can actually say, oh, let's get married and stuff, you know, and all of that. So this whole come and get married, this introduction, blah 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 blah, this that, hey God almighty, you guys, the pressure is coming left, right, center and all of that. Now, if you're about that age and your parents are disturbing you, please let me know in the comment section, because I cannot be alone on this. I refuse to be alone on this. So guys, let me just brush up my makeup, then I'll come back and continue giving you guys the whole gist of everything. Okay, so guys, I already did my makeup to like a reasonable amount. So like I was saying, this whole marriage pressure thing is, if I say it's not getting to me, I would be lying. But at the same time, I'm trying not to allow it get to me, because I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Oh. I will not sugarcoat words. I am not ready for that thing called marriage right now. And I don't know if there's something that comes with being plus size. I don't know if it's a problem with the society or something, but let me tell you my experience so far since I've been in Lagos. Actually, it's not like since I've been in Lagos, but it's like more prominent. It has been like happening constantly since I've been in Lagos. Like anywhere I go to, somebody's always looking at my butt, somebody's always shouting my size, somebody's always making remarks about my body. There was this guy that practically walked up to me and was like, he has been watching me for a while, and he has been looking out to talk to me, that he likes my physique. I'm like, I don't know if I'm the one that is like taking it too personal, but you're meeting someone for the first time, you're not trying to get to know the person or that kind of stuff. The first thing you are trying to push is you liking the person's physique and stuff. Man, I didn't get it though. I didn't get it. Okay, let me do something on my lips, because I really just want to do something basic. So it was like he likes my physique and all of that, and that same day it was like he wants to date me, this one, that one. I'm like, you want to date me? You don't even want to try to get to know me or that kind of thing. I was just really like, at least, even if you are going to form it, form that you want to try to get to know me first, and then you can, even if my old physique is the reason why you want to talk to me or is the reason why you want to date me, just try to like have a conversation first. That was what I was expecting. And I was like, he really likes my physique, this, that am I in a relationship? I was like, okay, yes, I'm in a relationship. And I was like, oh, the guy must be really lucky, this, that, and then he was still begging to date me, that he wants to have a relationship with me. I'm like, I am in a relationship. He was like, he doesn't mind that he would date me like that. I'm like, I don't know how to double date. Like, if I'm with someone, I'm with someone. Do you get? Like, I don't have the mental capacity to be juggling between two relationships. And I was like, no, that he promises that he's not going to stress me, this one, that one, that. I'm like, bro, no, it's not happening. And after I told this guy so many times, so he stopped talking to me. I'm like, oh, what's my own? Like, this is the second time that something like that is actually happening to me, where I'll tell a guy that I'm in a relationship and he will still insist on dating me. I'm like, where in the world is that going? Alright guys, so here is the finished look of my quick makeup, and yeah, that will be all for this video. Thank you so much for listening to my rants or my life updates. I really don't know what to call it, but yeah, thank you so much for listening to it, what I have to say. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye guys.